I don't know why I thought I would be able to do this. Hi everyone, so welcome to Vlogmas day 1, which is really exciting. I can't believe it's actually December now. What? Like, I'm so not in the Christmas mood. Like, compared to last year, I was in the Christmas mood in like September. Or like even in the summer, and now I'm just like, wait, can we wait like 3 months until Christmas? But no, we can't. So I'm starting Vlogmas now, and it's currently like 8 o'clock. But I had some friends over last night, and the night just went a little bit wild, so I've been really tired today. So I've just been like sleeping, tidying, editing, and I'm gonna open my Christmas calendar now, the first day. I'm at my dad's now, so my next advent calendar is at mum's, so I'll open that when I get there, but it is Saturday today, so in like 2 days, so I will be able to open a lot of ones. So the Christmas calendar I have this year is this Thornson's one, and my nan and gramps are so sweet. Every year they send me and my little sister a Christmas calendar, so yeah, exciting. There's day number 1. Kind of annoying that day number 1 was like the first one, because you want to like have to look and find it, but it's very easy to find. Oh my god, yes, my favorite Christmas calendars are the ones with that, because it reminds me of when I was younger. What does it say? What kind of photos does what kind of photos do Santa's help us take? Obviously it's going to be Elfie's. I don't know where the answer is. Let's see if we can get him out. Yeah, it says Elfie's. It won't focus, but it looks like it's some kind of, what is that even? Some kind of penguin? Yeah, a penguin. Let's try it. It's good. Now I'm going to a friend's house, and yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. So I'm sorry that day 1 was really short here, but I'm going to be doing like last year. I put together loads of different days and put it in one video. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 2. So I look like absolute shit. My hair is pretty much crazy. Looks like a lion. I just got home from my friend's house and it's currently 11:30, so it's like a good time, and I'm gonna make some brunch. So I've got these spinach rolls that I think I'm gonna put in the oven, and I kind of need to tidy my room because I need to film a video. I feel like because it's Vlogmas, I want to do Christmassy things. I think I'm gonna like decorate my room maybe. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, as you can hear. I know for one thing I need to edit, because I need to upload today. I need to edit like 2 videos. First things first, gonna open my chocolate calendar again. I also ordered a tripod for you guys because my tripod for my vlog camera broke, and I need to pick it up. It's been there for like several days. I also haven't done any Christmas shopping. Okay, let's look for day number 2. Found it. There's just a Christmas tree on that one. Oh, I thought they were gonna have like funny jokes on everyone, but no, just a Christmas tree. Maybe the next one will have a joke. Okay, it looks like a bauble decoration. So it's a Christmas bauble, and that's why it was under the tree. So yeah, it's kind of like funny. The weather is so grey outside. I have like not seen it this bad since last winter. Okay, I just put them in the oven, and they're like these spinach and feta cheese things, and then I'm gonna boil some pasta. I've got some tortellini over from yesterday as well. I also need to wash my work clothes so bad because I'm working tomorrow from 3:30 until 2 AM, so I can't believe I look like this. I just can't believe it. Wow, I didn't do enough water. I love myself. Okay, so they're like burnt. They're a little bit burnt. Oh no.
Fucking thing is peeping. Peeping?
Peeping, didn't he? Oh my god. Do not know where to put it. Look at that, it's like burnt, but they look quite good. Too bad we don't have any pesto. I'd love to put pesto in the pasta. I love pesto pasta. So this is my very unhealthy lunch / brunch, and I'm gonna go up, watch some YouTube, then tidy my room. Still like look like shit. I'm currently uploading my new video. Oh my god, my hair. And I decided to do my makeup, and I want to film like a Christmassy makeup look. So I want to decorate my room a little bit Christmassy. So I'm just gonna start by decorating this part, which is where I film my videos. I just need to say this. I think Miley's new song was released yesterday, and I think I've listened to it like 50 times since I heard it. It's actually so good. Like, it definitely grows on you as well, and it's kind of like country-ish, and I don't listen to country music, so I was like, really surprised that I'm actually loving this song so much, so let's put my little Christmas tree up then, shall we? So I have some of these old pictures that I printed out from last year, so I'm going to put some of them up to replace these 4 pictures that I have. Okay, so I've kind of done my tree. It looks kind of tragic. It's just this little small tree. Put a little star in it, put my colourful lights, because I think colourful lights are so much more fun. I don't know. And then I've got this little icicle Yankee candle here. I've got a little cup here which has hot drinks, and I just thought it was really cute as a decoration. Also, I want to make some hot chocolate in one of these. Also, I could put a candle in it. I don't know. Maybe I could have it standing on a book or something to make it look better. I've also got this bundle up candle from Yankee Candle. I'll just put like there. Yeah, you can probably tell why I think it's too much here and why I want to take the red lights down. So that's what I'm going to do now. I think I want to put these around my window there. I would like to have them here instead of the rose lights actually. You know what? Maybe I'm just going to take the rose lights down and put these up. Okay, these have literally been here since like 2013 when we moved in, so it feels good to get them out of the way because they don't even work anymore, so like... Too many things here. The only thing is there's no switch on these. Oh my god, I could use that. Let's see if this works. No, it must be this thing that's broken then.
I haven't plugged it in, I'm so stupid.
I'm like sweating. No. They don't work. Bummer. I just have to plug it in and unplug when I want to put them on. Yes! Done it! Okay, that looks so much better, guys. Oh, it's so cozy. I have one more of these. Don't know where to put her. Maybe up here? Yeah. So I found these fairy lights. I have these ones with little snowmen on. Isn't that so cute? Yeah, I love fairy lights, okay. And then I've got these ones with reindeer. So I don't know what to put. I don't know where to put them. I can dangle some across here. Honestly, alright. Literally got no idea when I'm going to put those on, but they're going to have to be there for now. So I've now been listening to my Christmas playlist, which has got me in a lot more of a Christmassy mood.
Yay!
I'm currently taking my makeup off because I slept with my makeup, but it's like all sweated off, so I mean that's good. I've also been editing my thumbnail for today. I'm going to publish my video in like 45 minutes. I put it on scheduled, so that's great. Before I set up for filming, I want to go down and make a hot chocolate in one of my cute mugs. And I kind of wanted to try like a Pinterest hot chocolate recipe, but I haven't found one that's easy that I can do without having to go to the shops. So I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm gonna browse YouTube a little bit, see if I find any good recipes to show you and try on camera. So let's do that. I don't have any hot chocolate. I don't have any chocolate at home. I only have like powder that you put in hot chocolate, so it could be tricky to make a good one. Also, don't think I have any whipped cream, so we have a few problems and obstacles, but nothing we shouldn't be able to conquer.
Inspirational.
So I found one recipe that seemed easy, and you need cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla extract. We don't have that here. I mean, we probably do, but I can never find it, so I just got vanilla sugar. To be fair, I haven't really looked. Soy milk and some salt, and I'm gonna mix or whisk this together in a pan over medium heat apparently. Sorry about this, it's not done. Oh, a bubble in my throat. I'm not sure if this is a tablespoon, but we're gonna go with it. Because this recipe is in English and I don't have any Englishing measuring things. 1, 2 tablespoons of that. I'm also going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar, or like 1.5, because I'm going to be adding vanilla sugar as well. 1.5. I'm just going to add a little bit of this vanilla sugar. 1/2 tablespoon. And now a pinch of salt, guys. Oh, don't know. A pinch. Okay, like that. I feel like that means. And 2 tablespoons of milk. This is only 1 serving, by the way. There we go. I'm supposed to put this on low medium heat. So I got it on 4 and no 3. And I'm supposed to keep it in here until the cocoa powder and sugar are dissolved, and also add the rest of the milk. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the milk, so about 2 deciliters I think. I'm having to convert this, which I'm not very good at. Oh fuck. And now just keep it here until it's hot. It smells good. I like it to be frothy though, so I'm mixing it a lot. Okay, I think it's done now. I'm gonna pour it in my cup. I don't know if this is enough or not. I mean, it should be enough. Honestly, this mug is what inspired, like what made me want to make hot chocolate. So let's just pour it in now and see how much we get out of it. Okay, I got like 1/2 cup. What the fuck? I knew this looked little. Girl. This mug is very big though. This is like 1/2 cup. That's not okay. I need to try it and see if it's like, ooh, it's like thick. It's actually really good. I think I just should have added some more milk to it, so I got a little bit more. Oh well. I actually have some whipped cream. Do not know when this goes out though. Looks pretty gross. It's not moldy, guys, I promise. I just cleaned it out and it tastes good. I need to take a picture of this so I can use it in my thumbnail. Don't think I'm gonna succeed with taking a good picture because it's like half full, but we will try.
It's not looking good, guys.
I'm gonna turn my do around the other way because it looks a bit more wintry. This actually looks quite cute. Okay, let's try it then finally. It's actually really good and I love this mug. This is actually the first time I'm drinking out of it. I got it this year though at like a second-hand place. It's really good. I actually bought this straw up because everything's nicer out of a straw. It's like a thick straw. Okay, I'm gonna get to filming this Christmassy look now. To set my camera up and my ring light. So I finished filming my makeup look and I'm very happy with it. So my room's like kind of messy now. Okay, I'm gonna start editing, and once I get bored of that, I'm gonna do my haul that I've been meaning to do the whole of this day. But I'm currently watching. I currently put this on, so I shouldn't be procrastinating anymore, but kind of want to see this video, but I think I've already seen a video about this case. So my Final Cut is being stupid. I don't know if it's Final Cut or the files on my camera, but it's taken me like 5 different times to import them, and I've still not imported everything, so I haven't really edited a lot. I've just been like trying to import the footage. But it's currently 8:15 and now we've decided to do some Christmas decorating. We're gonna get the Christmas stuff out. How do I do that? Put it there. Vad ska jag göra? What shall I do? These ones are nice. Where do we have these ones, dear? Downstairs in the window?
Yeah.
Okay. The mice, Dad, me and Sophie. Yeah, that's what I've been told. So I'm wearing my retainer because I haven't slept with my retainer for like a week, so that's what's going on with my lisp, if you can hear that. My tripod, I don't have my tripod for my vlogging camera yet because I haven't freaking picked it up, but I'm gonna put you on this candle. Oh my god, it's like tangled still. I don't know, like, well, Did you like tape that cable down last year? Because it doesn't look very nice with the cable there. Also found red wine stains from my body. So I need to wipe that away quick.
Removing evidence.
Looks cute. So we lit the advent calendar because it's actually the 1st of Advent today. In Sweden we celebrate Advent, which is like every weekend leading up to... No, is it every Sunday leading up to Christmas? Yeah.
I'm really bad at this, but...
So yeah, you've got 4 candles. We just lit the first one. And I mean, we're hopefully gonna have a real tree as well. This is just our little fake one. Oh my god, that looks so funny. I don't know where the legs are. I'm really tempted to cheat and open another door in my advent calendar right now. But I shouldn't because I don't have a chocolate one of Mum's. I think we've got chocolate out here though. I want us to listen to watch a Christmas film now, but we're watching something about Google. I think I've seen this one before. I'm gonna try this chocolate now. So yeah, this is supposed to be coffee cream. Oh wow. It's white and like dark, so. It smells really coffee-ish. Wow.
That's actually so good.
Ransom. Part 2. Fuck, it's gonna fall. No, I can't do this. I don't know why I thought I would be able to do this. It looks like a mess and I don't know what to do. Like, that? Who wants that in their home?
Not me.
So we found the legs for the green tree in the white tree box. I think the colour lights should go up here, don't you? Why not? Because this is a nice room. Yeah, but we're gonna have a proper tree up here later, aren't we? No. Aren't we? No, why would we? We're not even gonna be here on Christmas.
But I think the colourful lights are nice ones.
De är lite gräsliga.
Nej, det tycker inte. Jaha. Or should we have those on the stairway? Yeah, we could use those natural lights on that tree and then have those in the staircase, I think. Dad and his girlfriend are going to McDonald's to get some sweet potato fries for us and I'm excited.
Bad news, no sweet potatoes.
Wait, Mommy.
Sorry.
They're always sweet.
Ridiculous.
My reaction when sweet potatoes are out. So that's it for today's Vlogmas video. I did not expect to only have 2 days in one, but literally if I added another day it would have been so long, and I just thought this was a good start. I'm going to try and upload my Vlogmas videos as quick as possible so I get ahead of myself. Like, I'm so behind on Vlogmas, like it's literally day 14 now. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're looking forward to my new Vlogmases. I probably won't stick to my upload dates. I'll probably just upload them as soon as I can, if that's okay for you, because I haven't been sticking to Wednesdays and Sundays recently anyway. And I'm really sorry about that. I feel so bad that this is coming so late, but I hope you can excuse me and understand the fact that I do work a lot, and the time I have off I don't want to only spend editing, because I do spend a lot of time editing, and editing a video takes a long time. So yeah, anyway, I don't want to have loads of excuses. I just want to let you know that I'm sorry. But
it's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can